To produce abundant fruits, tomato plants need various nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and others. These nutrients are essential for different aspects of plant growth, including strong root development, healthy foliage, flower formation, and fruit production. Fertilization is the process of providing these essential nutrients to the plants in the form of fertilizers. By carefully managing fertilization, gardeners can ensure that their tomato plants receive the right balance of nutrients at the right time, promoting healthy growth and maximizing fruit production. Did you know that all the nutrients tomato plants need are actually stored in different parts of the plant itself? That's right! Tomato leaves, suckers, those small shoots that grow between the stem and branches, and even extra seedling plants that you don't have room to transplant contain valuable nutrients that can be recycled into a homemade liquid fertilizer. Here's how you can make your own liquid fertilizer using tomato plant parts. You'll need a 5-gallon bucket, non-chlorinated water. You can use rainwater or simply let tap water sit out for 24 hours to let the chlorine evaporate. Tomato leaves, suckers from indeterminate tomato plants, and any extra seedling plants you won't be planting. Collect the lower leaves from your tomato plants along with any suckers and spare seedlings. Put them all into the 5-gallon bucket. Fill the bucket with the non-chlorinated water. You can use a stick to give it a good stir, mixing up all the plant material and water. Loosely cover the bucket with a lid and place it in a spot where it won't be disturbed for 1-2 weeks. The longer you leave it, the better the fertilizer will be, as it allows more time for the nutrients to leach out of the plant material and into the water. After 1-2 weeks, your homemade liquid fertilizer will be ready. You can strain out the solid plant material or simply use it as is. Mix 1 part of this homemade fertilizer with 10 parts of water, and then give this nutrient-rich solution to your tomato plants. By recycling nutrients from your tomato plants back into the soil, you're not only providing them with the fuel they need to grow big and strong, but also reducing waste and being environmentally friendly. Plus, it's a cost-effective way to boost the health and productivity of your tomato plants, ensuring a plentiful harvest of delicious tomatoes for you to enjoy. If you want to learn about making weed tea or banana peel fertilizer at home, check out our channel for step-by-step guides and tips. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.